Welcome to Natural Home Remedy. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please click on subscribe button. If you eat garlic and honey on an empty stomach for 7 days, this is what happens to your body. Garlic is one of the most popular natural foods nowadays, and it is an essential part in most of the cuisines in the world. Despite its unique flavor, garlic is incredibly effective in treating various health conditions, especially if consumed raw. Garlic is believed to be able to prevent and treat almost all diseases. It effectively prevents atherosclerosis, heart attacks, coronary heart disease, and lowers cholesterol and blood pressure levels. It also heals minor ailments like bug bites, common cold, flu, hay fever, fungal infections, and traveler's diarrhea. Garlic efficiently controls the symptoms of diabetes, enlarged prostate, and osteoarthritis. Furthermore, its ability to eliminate toxins and strengthen the immunity is one of its most important properties. In combination with ginger and onion, garlic detoxifies the body after chemotherapy. For best results, use garlic in its raw form. Since heat decentralizes lecithin, its active ingredient, you should simply crush and chop the cloves. Leave them for 15 minutes and then add it to your food. Moreover, note that you actually improve its bioavailability if you crush it. Also, a full stomach cannot absorb all its nutrients, so it is best to consume it on an empty stomach before drinking or eating anything. In order to strengthen your immunity and raise your health to an optimal level, you should regularly consume the mixture of honey and garlic. This is how to prepare it. Honey and raw garlic. Take 2 to 3 garlic cloves, chop them finely, and add a tablespoon of honey. Take it every day and you will boost your energy levels to an extremely high extent. Furthermore, the following garlic flu tonic will efficiently boost your immunity and prevent and soothe the sore throat and treat flu and cold symptoms. It is very potent and strong natural remedy. This is how to prepare it. Garlic flu tonic recipe. Ingredients: 5 garlic cloves, coarsely chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger, chopped. Raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. 1 lemon, juiced. 2 red chili peppers, coarsely chopped. Instructions: if you have a sensitive skin, make sure you use gloves for the preparation of this tonic, as the natural oils of the ingredients may lead to burns or rashes. Next, you should get a 350 to 500 milliliters mason jar, and add the chopped onion in one layer, then the chopped garlic in another, and then the hot peppers, with the seeds. Next, add the ginger, pour the lemon juice into the jar, and the organic apple cider vinegar in the end. Seal the jar tightly, but note that you should leave 1 centimeter of free space from the rim. Then, keep the jar in the pantry. Consume it regularly to prevent ailments, or until your symptoms completely disappear. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends and family and subscribe for new updates. Thank you.